My name is Kelly Avery, and I'm a research staff member in the Operational Evaluation Division. My background is in statistics, and I'm currently the test science team lead. So DATAWorks stands for the Defense and Aerospace Test and Analysis Workshop. It is co-sponsored by 4 organizations: IDA, DOT&E, NASA, and the American Statistical Association. And this is a 3-day annual workshop that features short courses, hands-on mini tutorials, talks, posters, and speed sessions. DataWorks 22 is actually the first ever hybrid DataWorks, and we integrated online participation by streaming most of the talks via Zoom to over 100 virtual attendees. Holding the event at IDA's new facility at Potomac was really exciting, but also brought on several new challenges, figuring out how to coordinate the logistics of hosting over 200 people here in person. It was really gratifying seeing how the space was used, people having lunch at the outdoor terrace, seeing talks in all of the downstairs conference rooms and things like that. It's hard to nail down main takeaways, but if I had to give you a couple, I'd say first, organizations should become more data-centric. We have massive amounts of data that need to be collected, often automatically, analyzed in a reproducible way, and stored and managed securely. I'd also say we need to continue to adapt and refine methods to keep up with emerging technologies, whether that's cybersecurity, AI, hypersonics. Lastly, I'm a little biased here, but I'd say statistics and data science are as relevant as ever in ensuring that we collect the data we need to inform quantitatively rigorous evaluations and understand risk for our defense and aerospace systems.